So, in today's technology advancements, the connectivity with our personal belongings is increasing day by day, which includes digital health bands, watches, tags, or we can call air tags, and home automation also, and much more, of which one of them is car keys. You may also wonder how car keys. So here I am to tell you about how digital car keys of future will be driving us. So welcome back family to a new video on how digital car keys will transform our future. BMW is one of the manufacturers who will use the ultra wideband technology in upcoming BMW electric and the new 5 series to power the digital car keys. Ultra wideband technology is set to become very handy for the car owners everywhere, promising both added security and added ease when using a car keys. So the first question which will come into your mind is, what is ultra wideband and how it works? So ultra wideband is a short range wireless communication protocol that uses radio waves just like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. However, it drastically improves both the application possibilities and security levels from similar radio technologies. This technology is not new, as it today most usually advanced medical devices, or I have labeled it in my previous talks that the hand bands, health bands, new watches like Apple Watch, Samsung watches, or we can see home automation like LED bulbs. These all uses this ultra wideband radio waves. Okay, but thanks to the recent addition in regular devices, we can use that ultra wideband technology more broadly available for end users. Users may vary, but car owner will benefit primarily thanks to ultra wideband highly accurate and precise localization capabilities. This is because ultra wideband allows for high precision localization at distances typically up to 20 meters. When combining multiple ultra wideband radars in a car, which gives radio waves into a single network, ultra wideband technology can as such be used to identify the exact position of the mobile ultra wideband equipped consumer devices in the immediate vicinity. So for example, if you have a phone with you which have a ultra wideband technology, and the car also has an ultra wideband radio transmitters and receivers, it will automatically knew that the owner is coming to enter the car, so it will detect that signals and unlock the car. Okay, the technology is becoming more widespread, and the latest smartphones have already incorporated chips with ultra wideband into their design, right next to better known technologies like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which is Apple is one of the best example of this technology, which it also uses that technology in this ecosystem with incorporates with Apple AirTags and the new Apple Watch. So how does the ultra wideband technology work? Ultra wideband technology makes use of very high bandwidth, which is exact to be 499.2 megahertz, in comparison to Wi-Fi only uses about 20 to 160 megahertz bandwidth, and the Bluetooth as little as 80, while other radio technology splits the available bandwidth into smaller chunks in favor of high data rates or using multiple data channels at the same time. The ultra wideband dedicates the entire available bandwidth to a transmission of a very short radio wave pulses. Okay, the pulses duration of ultra wideband of only 2 nanoseconds is only a fraction of pulse duration being used for data transmission in other wireless radio applications. Okay, And we know since radio waves propagate at a speed of light, keeping the pulse duration as short as possible is the key to calculate the actual distance accurately. Okay, and as only very few ultra wideband pulses are needed for an accurate measurement, ultra wideband radios can be used to almost instantly provide localization information or perform real time live tracking of moving objects without suffering the drawbacks of long latencies. Okay, so that's why the uh, new era of digital key will be taking part in opening your car.